Hello. Welcome to part 3 of the Provider Web Portal training video series. This video focuses on the Eligibility tab on the navigation bar at the top of the Provider Web Portal, also known as PWP. The only subpage of the Eligibility tab is Eligibility Verification. In this section, we will explore how to check if a recipient is eligible to receive services under Nevada Medicaid. First, log into the Provider Web Portal. The My Home tab will be the default view. If you need assistance logging in or navigating the home page, please refer to part 2 of this series. From the home page, click the Eligibility tab on the top navigation bar. The Eligibility Verification subpage will open. Enter the recipient information. If the recipient ID is not known, enter the Social Security number and birth date, or last name, first name, and birth date. When entering the effective dates, users may only search 1 month spans in the past and may not search in the future. Click the Submit button. The page will refresh to show the top search field from the previous step and additional information. First, let's explore the Other Insurance Detail Information link. The page that appears lets you know if a recipient has third-party liability and will show the coverage codes. In the dark blue title bar, the recipient's name is shown. This may be different than the policy holder. Starting on the left of the table, you will see the carrier name, policy ID, group ID, and then policy holder. Then, policy type and coverage type. When a recipient has a Medicare replacement plan, the policy type will read as Medicare with the coverage type indicated. If the recipient has a commercial TPL, the policy type and coverage type will reflect the plan's coverage. In this example, the recipient has an Aetna commercial plan in addition to a Medicare replacement plan. If the policy type and coverage are not reflected correctly, the provider will need to contact HMS to have the information updated. The final 3 columns will show if the insurance is primary and the effective and end dates. Medicaid will not pay for services rendered after the end date listed. To return to the previous screen with the search results, click the Eligibility Verification link in the breadcrumbs found at the top. Go back to the Eligibility Verification page and view the information at the bottom of the page. Let's take a look at the Medicaid Fee for Service link. The Coverage Details page will appear. This page should be viewed prior to rendering services to a recipient. To view information about hospice coverage, expand the Lock-in Details bar by clicking the plus symbol to the right. If applicable, hospice coverage information will populate beneath the Lock-in Details title bar. To collapse this category, select the minus symbol on the right of the bar. Next, to see if a recipient lives in an intermediate care facility, ICF, or nursing facility, click the plus symbol on the right of the Living Arrangement Details bar. Click the minus box to the right of the Living Arrangement Details to collapse the selection. Go back to the top section of the page and select Expand All. Scroll down to see the panels are now fully expanded, allowing you to review all of the information. To go back to the original screen with category titles only, select Collapse All. Thank you for watching part 3 of the PWP training video series. Please explore the other videos in this series for more information on the topics listed on the screen. This concludes this installment of the PWP training video series. Should you require further assistance, please contact Gainwell Technologies, the fiscal agent for Nevada Medicaid, by phone or email. The contact center may be reached at 1-877-638-3472. Emailing Nevada Provider Training at gainwelltechnologies.com will connect you with the field service team. Please include your NPI and other pertinent information to be routed to the appropriate representative. Further information related to Nevada Medicaid can be found on the website at medicaid.nv.gov.
This video was produced by Gainwell Technologies on behalf of Nevada Medicaid. Thank you for watching.